Hello, this is video demo of the first lesson of the Thai stick. So the idea is to give you a little introduction of how it works and a first movement. There are a lot of movements and combinations that you can do. Once you learn the basics and the advanced movements and techniques, then you can start improvising your own combinations and perhaps a new movement that you can discover. So the idea is that the stick is spinning, non-stopping spinning in the same direction, and you can do many combinations with the stick spinning. If you see the stick is spinning in one direction all the time in the same direction. So if I see it from here, will be clockwise. For me, will be clockwise. So always will turn the same direction. And basically we can have two fronts. I can have this front or this front. So with the stick will be turning like, imagine I have a wall in front of me, it's parallel to that wall. So I will not go turning like in this way. Yeah, so parallel to that wall. If I change the front, I will be in a wall that is in the other side of me. So could be in a wall here, this plane, or in this plane. Two planes. For the lesson of today, we will work only in this plane and with only one movement. The movement is changing hands in front. Okay. We have basically keeping the same front. We have changing hand fronts. We have to the side, back, forward, crossing, change backward, to the other side, and to over the head. Mainly these are the movements. We can also have releasings. This is keeping the same front. Then when we change fronts, we have more combinations. And this is the interesting part when we are walking and playing with the body, twisting, spinning the body. Okay. So let's start with the movement. This is any stick you can find. It's important. Two things. One is should be a bit lower than the shoulder. A bit lower, so no higher than the shoulder, that from the floor to your shoulder. And the other is the kind of texture that is not something that can hurt your hand when you are all the time with that. So normally you can buy this for sweeping the floor. It's a stick for sweeping the floor. It's very cheap in any supermarket. So we start with taking the stick in the middle with the hand down. So the stick is parallel to the floor. Always we will be holding the stick from the central part, because normally this is made in with fire, and all this part is with fire, so you cannot hold it from there. Okay, So the hands will be always in the center. So sometimes will be one hand, sometimes the transition will go with the other hand. There are many transitions. This is only one that we are seeing now. So the stick is parallel to the floor, more or less the height of the center of your chest. So we twist the hand clockwise, this way. After the hand is perpendicular to the floor, when we are starting to go with the palm up, I start opening the hand. So the hand will be open and facing the sky, and the stick will be perpendicular to the floor. In that moment is when the other hand will come in this way. So the hand comes under the other hand, very, very close, so not distant, very close. And between the thumb and the index, I am taking the stick there, yeah? So this is kind of butterfly, what I'm doing with the hands, okay? So when we are holding the stick with the other hand, we can release the right hand, and then we continue turning with the left hand. In one moment, we close the hand. After we are perpendicular, we close the hand, and we continue turning until the little finger is up. So to reach all this rotation, I need to maybe go a little higher with my elbow, this way. Once we are here, with the right hand, we will be, with that part of the hand, we will be approaching to the stick here. For now, just for learning, because we are doing slow, we go with contact. Then with speed, we don't go with contact here. So we have contact, so we can hold the hand, the stick with the two hands while the stick is turning. But this hand, the right hand is going parallel to the floor, so the palm facing down. So then when the stick continues turning, the stick will be inside the hand automatically. Then you hold it and you're starting again from here. So we have the right hand twisting, turning, palm up, change the hand, twisting, little finger up, the other hand comes here, stick continues turning and goes inside the hand. I continue turning and again.